Get ready to hear some live howling. Let's see if we can get some howling. Now, if you can hear the fire engine in the background, they're actually howling or making the noises. I'm going to turn the sound. They're actually howling or making howling-like sounds, whining, if you will, with the engine because it sounds like an animal in distress. And that's a lot of times why dogs will do that. So Princess is not as interested. She's resting up. We had a big adventure yesterday. Pups here are obviously a little younger, and they can take it. Dan's here giving them some love. And I was able to catch that live, so I wanted to broadcast that to everybody in the group. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back soon in a little while with some more broadcast. It's Wolf Driver with live howling going on. Have a great day, everybody.